Hi guys, good morning and happy new month to you guys. So today we are going to analyze the market just like we always do, and then I'm going to show you guys the analysis we did yesterday. So the analysis we did yesterday triggered yesterday evening to night, sha. So the analysis triggered, but I already cancelled my order. That's so painful. I already cancelled my order because anything past 3 o'clock, I don't like take any trade anything past three. So yesterday the analysis triggered around, I think, probably that 5 to 6 or thereabout, or four sha. So I now had to cancel my order, having it in mind that okay, I'm going to re-enter this morning. But market left us. So market left us. It like did not even come back to our entry at all. So we actually missed entry on the trade we analyzed yesterday. But let's see if we are going to see another opportunity this morning to trade from. But regardless, this week is actually a profitable week for us, and that's so good. That's so good. So I'm going to share my screen now, and then we are going to analyze the chart together. So hopefully this month is going to be a good month for us, just like last month. But let's just hope and see. Let's just hope and see. So I'm going to share my screen right now. Then we are going to analyze the chart together, just like yesterday. So I hope you guys are seeing my screen. I hope you guys are seeing my screen. Okay. So on yesterday, this is actually yesterday analysis. This is the analysis we did yesterday. So let me go to the lower time frame. As you guys can see, market actually triggered us right here. We already closed my limit order before market triggered. So now market is currently moving in profits. So we already missed this entry. We already missed it. I was thinking price is going to retap our entry this morning, like, or probably like early this morning. Let me re-enter, but price did not come back to our entry. So let's just see if we can find another opportunity to trade from this morning. So this is BTC. So as you can see on, let's go to the higher time frame. So on BTC, on the higher time frame, BTC is actually bullish, but we have we have a resistance level right here. We have a resistance level right here, which might make BTC come back down to this our other block. So if we want to take ourselves, we could take ourselves from this point down to this other block. So we might see a retest back to this other block. But BTC is currently bullish on the higher time frame. So let's go to the lower time frame. So if we want to take our trade from this resistance level, we're going to have to wait for confirmation. We're going to have to see if price is going to change character or something like that. So, but currently BTC is bullish. So let's just move to other pair. I don't really want us to take time on this live stream. So on Dodge USDT, on the lower time frame, Dodge is actually bullish. Dodge is bullish. We have a break. We have our break. We have our break. Then we could take our entry from this point. We could take our entry from this point, but I don't think I'm going to take this trade. I'm not going to take this trade. It is actually not a high probability setup. On Solana, on Solana, just like BTC, we have a resistance level which could push price back down to this level to retest this our order block. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame. So as you guys can see, we could actually buy Solana from this point. We could buy Solana from this point, buy Solana from this point up to our resistance level. So now we have our break of structure right here. So we have our break of structure right here, and then put our long position. So we're going to put our stop loss a little bit below this week, then our take profit is going to be the last high. So we could just take this like we could take this trade this morning. So we could take this trade this morning. So let's see what Solana have for. So I'm going to come back next week and show you guys. So we're actually taking our buy position from this point to this resistance level because Solana might actually respect this resistance level back to our other block. So let's move to another page. So we already have one setup. We already have Solana. So let's see. So this is Ethereum. So this is Ethereum. Ethereum, we are looking to sell from we're going to be looking to sell from this point down to this our other block because I'm still but Ethereum is actually looking like it is reacting from this point, but I'm still looking at Ethereum to come down to this point. So if Ethereum break this level of resistance, then Ethereum is actually bullish. So I'm going to be looking to buy, but I'm going to be looking at Ethereum to sell down to this level. So now we have a break of structure. We have our break of structure right here. We have our break of structure, and then we have fair value gap right here. So we have fair value gap right here. Let me draw it again. So now this is our fair value gap. So we're going to be looking to sell Ethereum from this level of resistance down to this level of support. So let's just see. Let's see. We're going to put our take we're going to put our stop loss a little bit above the last high. Then our take profit is going to be this last swing here. So we already have two setups, two setups, two setups, two setups, two setups. So let's just check for one more because I don't think Ethereum is going to trigger today. So let's see if we could get one more setup for this morning. So on new USDT, I'm looking at sorry on OP. I'm looking at OP to come down to this level, if not this level here. We still have another level right here. So we're going to be looking to sell this because that's just the current trend. We're going to be looking to sell. Okay, we have a break of structure right here. We have a break of structure. Then going to be looking to sell from this point. We're going to be looking to sell from this. So I'm going to be looking to sell OP from this point. So let me show you guys how I actually add my setup. So let's go to the higher time frame. On the higher time frame, you are going to see OP is bullish, but OP is actually reacting from this level of resistance right here. You can see we have like the OP is reacting from this level, but we have this break right here. We have this break right here. So I'm looking at OP to come down to this level, or probably this level. So that's why I'm looking to take my shot on the lower time frame from this level. So I'm going to take my shot from this level, and then we already had we have that's three setups. So I think that's going to be all for today. That's going to be all for today. So this OP might trigger this morning. So OP might trigger this morning. So let's just so I'll stop it. So OP might trigger this morning. So I'm going to set limit order on OP, and then I'll set my limit order on Solana also. We're going to long Solana. So we're looking at Solana to come to this level, then reverse. But on Solana, if Solana come to this resistance level first, then this long position is not valid. We are going to cancel this long position. But if Solana come down to this our level of support right here to this long position, then we're going to be looking to long Solana from here to this resistance level. I hope you guys understand. So that's why I'm taking my long on Solana from this level. So I'm going to be looking at Solana to come down to this level first. But if eventually Solana go up to this resistance level, then I'll cancel my limit order on this. So I hope you guys understand. So that's it for today, guys. That's it for today. So tomorrow, tomorrow is actually Saturday. So I'm going to come back here next week. So I'm going to come back here next week, and then I'm going to show you guys like how the trade plays out. As you guys can see, we did not really take time on analyzing the chart. We had three setup, and like this setup to analyze them did not even take us long. So if a particular setup is actually taking time to analyze, then like it is not actually clear for you. And again, if you're actually taking time on a particular setup, that means you are trying to force things out of it. You're trying to force trade out of it. If you actually click a chart and you see you cannot really see anything on it, you cannot really identify the trend or the movements, you just get the fuck out of the pair or probably out of the market. You understand? So that's it, guys. So see you guys next week. I'm going to come back here and make and show you guys how the trade plays out. So bye guys, and happy new month once again to you guys. So see you guys next week. Bye.